So we're gonna do the famous raw chicken demo. You ready? This truly illustrates the concept of mechanical cleaning, okay? Mechanical cleaning basically means not using chemicals to clean a surface. These are called ProClean. These are a third-party swab company. What these do is they test for ATP and protein on a surface. This is really well known in the medical field, restaurant industry, hotels. The green is good, not contaminated, and then anything below that means that the surface is contaminated with protein and ATP. I am going to, instead of using the Envirocloth, which is what we would normally use, I'm gonna actually use the travel Envirocloth. Normally what we would tell you to do is take your Envirocloth, wet it, wring it to dry, and then fold it like that. You have 8 cleaning surfaces. However, look at this. Instead, we're just gonna use this little guy, okay? So you can see the fact that this little guy, travel with him and he'll be just as effective on the go as in your home. All right, ready? I'm gonna twist this down because you don't need to see me anymore. I have a plate here. I have my swabs and I have 2 of them. I have one with an N on it so we know the difference between the one I'm gonna swab after the chicken comes off. I have my chicken here and I will tell you, it's gotten a little rank. All right, here we go. Nice bit of stinky. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've got my plate here. Put that down. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna test the surface. Okay. You can see it's a little cotton thing on the end. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wipe my surface. And I know intuitively you're like, duh, Sandra, of course it's dirty, but no sleight of hand going on here. This is all science. Okay. Okay. And I mean, you can obviously see it didn't take any time at all, right, for it to turn purple. So we're not shocked about this, right? There is raw chicken. This is a contaminated surface. Okay, so have my wet travel Envirocloth. Use it flat like that. And I'm just gonna wipe my surface like this. And I'm not even gonna flip it, okay? I'm done. I'm not gonna flip it. I don't need to because I know that my surface is clean, because the concept of mechanical cleaning is that microfiber is so tiny and there's so much of it, it's gonna pick up and remove from the surface. So I don't need to worry about anything transferring back down. But don't take my word for it. I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so we got the second swab. Here we go again. Nice. Okay. Here we go again. I love doing this demo so much. So remember, we're looking for green, okay? Anything other than green is bad. Look at that. So if you're a science person like I am, you guys, I love doing this demo every single freaking time because it is absolutely amazing. I just removed raw chicken from a surface, you guys, with water. Water and a microfiber cloth. And it wasn't even the full size, look, it was this one right here.